Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can get more jobs as a landscaper through local service ads. So local service ads is a ad that you can create in your Google My Business profile. You have to pay Google, so it shows you like up on the result. It even like ranks higher than like Google PPC and normal organic result. If you set up properly, Google will give you a trust badge which would be helpful for you to convert like sales and get more leads. And the best part is this is like all based on like pay per lead. So it's not like you don't have to pay per clicks or any vanity metrics. You only pay if you get a qualified lead. Let's say if the lead is not qualified, you can even dispute the lead and get your money refunded. When you're running like local service ads, when you get a job, it's gonna help you increase your revenue, increase your reviews. It's also helping you rank higher on like local SEO. So it is like you're just killing the bird and you're getting your stick back. Like most of your customer who come in Google, they just search landscaper near me, lawn care near me, hardscape near me. So the near me is like proximity. So it would also help you, like it depends on like it does not only depend on how much you spend, it also depends on like reviews, proximity and other stuff. So the thing is, like you don't have to have a huge budget to start local SEO. So let's say the budget might be around $1,000. And you have to, like when you're setting it up, you need to have your license and some papers that you need to upload to actually get approval of local service ads. And you have to upload them on Google. So Google just sees through that and gives you a trustworthy badge, and it will help you a lot. What matters the most is the speed to lead. So whenever a customer searches landscaper near me, they find you on the top page, the everything above everything else, and they click on your thing, and you have obviously need to have your website, and you can even do lead form, I guess. So you can do phone number and they can go to your website or upload a lead form, or they can like call you directly. So you need to have a guy with a phone who would just pick up the phone as soon as it rang. I cannot like stress this enough. Speed to lead is the most like biggest power that you have. It above everything else, like speed to lead is, you need to be like, you need to have it. Speed to lead, you need to be good in getting to customer in seconds, in minutes. So you need a dedicated guy who would just call the lead or pick up the phone whenever it rang, as soon as possible. And you would be surprised to see like how much of your lead actually converts. And also you're gonna run like local SEO on the side. So you're running local service ads, so you're paying Google for it, but you're also gonna run local SEO, which is free. And once you like get that momentum from local service ads, once you like get those reviews and get your ranking, like you'd like climb higher and higher on organic like search result. So there would be a time that you wouldn't even need local service ads to begin with. You can still do local service ads, but let's say one day you rank like the first one, you don't have to do local service ads. You can just like get feed for free for lifetime. Now there are many of you that might think like it's a very techy thing, or I can't set it up. So what I recommend is, like, it's not like a big tech job. you need like minimal, like you can put keywords there, you need to put your papers and some other settings. So it's not like a big techy thing, but if you want like someone professional to set it up for you, you can contact us. So we are a marketing agency for landscaper who does this like local SEO stuff and marketing and local service ads and everything. We just handle all the back end for you to give you that push and give you like more jobs. Now I'll be giving you some practical ways that you can implement what I said, what I said in the last minute. So first of all, you need to have a Google My Business profile. So if you have one, that is great, but what you need to do is like put as much information in there as possible. Like whatever you can find, just fill it on. Google like will help, like trust you more, and will have a better chance of putting you in the first place. And the other thing is, make sure your website is also good. Like I don't mean it's like it have to be really fancy or anything, but it has to be functional. The speed too, like the loading speed of the website should be very less. You can check it on the page speed like checker by Google, which is also we can see on like how your website is displayed in mobile, and you need to like make sure also the mobile is friendly, like the website is mobile friendly. And so like you have your website, you have your phone. Now you need a CRM, which is like whenever someone contacts you, you need to see that measurement. So you need to track everything down, like how much do you spend, how much do you need to spend to get a job or to get an estimate or get an appointment. You need to have all of these calculated. So you can do that on a CRM, which is customer relationship management. So they would have your customer information, the customer name, email, phone. You can even do automated like messages there. You can do like quarterly event like discounts to get like do reactivation campaign. There are a lot of things like you can do if you have a CRM with a good amount of lead and good leads. So you get that recurring revenue coming in, and you also can get like make sure to ask for reviews after completing each job. So let's say if you completed job, you have to ask the review on the spot, because they're in their most like satisfied state. And if you ask it later, they might not do it, or they might like push it, like they're not gonna be the most happiest to do it in later. So it's the best in your case to ask directly, and you can even bring an NFC card, so that way they can just scan the thing and go to your Google business profile and just leave a good review. And the more reviews you have, the more it's gonna help in like, let's say, local service ads, and also gonna help you in the organic ranking as well. So that's it all for all today. Hope you have a good time.